Hi friends, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Lily and I appreciate you being here. I got a package in the mail bright and early this morning. Now this package is from the UK. It is, and I'm excited to open it. It could be one of two things. I have recently ordered a couple things that would be shipped to me from the United Kingdom, and so I'm not sure which item this is, and I didn't track it on purpose because I like the element of surprise, and so I thought I would wait and share it here with you. Of course, it's crafty goodness, and so, or at least yeah, it is. It's all crafty goodness, so let's see what it is. So I'm going to open it here with you guys. I'm excited. I'm excited to open it and see which of the two packages arrived. And it actually didn't take very long from when I ordered it. I thought it would be much longer. I had heard that some packages were taking extra time to come across the U.S. So, I mean, excuse me, come across overseas. And let's see. Da, 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 da. It arrived. Oh my gosh. So I ordered this book online, you guys. And the seller is in the UK. I'm surprised. I thought this one would have taken longer to arrive. I have been trying to get my hands on one of these books for years, for a few years now, at a reasonable price. They're out there, but I didn't want to spend $180 on a book, and I didn't just want pages. I wanted the entire book. Here's the tough part, because look, it is in, oh my gosh, it is like in mint condition, you guys. Oh, and I get a bookmark. That's awesome. Okay. Wow. I'm super, super excited. I'm going to link the website where I ordered this book. And so, you guys, it is in such great condition. Now, there is some like some sun damage. You know, there's some lighter shades here, and I'm guessing it was probably on a bookshelf. But other than that, see the discoloration here, but other than that, there are no tears. Wow, it is super, super clean. Oh my gosh, there is no way I would be able to tear into these pages. There is no way. Nope, it's not going to happen. If the book was falling apart, I would probably use it for my journaling and scrapbooking. No, there's no way I'm going to cut into this book, you guys. It is in such great shape. Look at that. Yeah, it's not going to happen. It is not going to happen, you guys. I am so excited. So excited. Do you have one of these books? Do you have one? An Edith Holden book? You know what? Maybe I am better off at buying some of the pages that are available, especially on sites like Etsy, because I'm not going to have it in me to tear into this book, but I am going to love reading it and going through it. I'm really excited. And by the way, this comes at a perfect time. I've just started gardening. I planted tomatoes. I planted hot peppers, cilantro, some other herbs, zucchini and cucumbers. So this is just perfect, perfect, perfect time. So maybe I'll start a journal of my own. Who knows? Wow. I'm super, super excited. You guys, let me know what you think. Should I cut into it? I'm not. I'm not cutting into it. August is my birth month, so that's exciting. So yeah, there you go. So I guess we're going to have to wait and see what the other package is from the UK. I mean, excuse me, we're going to have to wait to open my second package as soon as it arrives. I know what it is, so I'll be excited to share it with you as well. But this was a nice surprise. I actually expected this one much later than today. Okay, you guys have a great day. I just wanted to share this with you. Now that I've opened it, I'm gonna start reading it. Super excited. You guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.